tour of cabin E309 Obstructed balcony. As we go into the cabin, it's very light wood, which makes the cabin look bright and airy. To the left now is open wardrobes, which we really love because it saves that messing with those doors all the time when you're getting ready to go out. So we really love that. And then moving into the bathroom, we think the bathrooms are small to compared to other lines we've been on, and they've obviously got a shower curtain, but it is good quality, so it doesn't actually stick to you because it's like a material rather than plastic. So moving into the main cabin area now, this is set up as a queen. It's really lovely, the cabin. I just think it's very tasteful and bright and airy. So each side of the bed are drawers, and in the bottom of the light switch is a USB. However, there's no sockets apart from the ones on the dressing table. Looking underneath the bed, we've got 2 large cases and 2 small cases, so there's plenty of room for that, which is good, so you don't want them hanging around your cabin for your whole cruise. And you've got a little mini fridge just underneath that mirror there, and the telly is opposite the bed, which is always good. Nice to watch a film when you're relaxing. So moving out to the obstruction. So this has not got a lifeboat in front, but it does have the stanchions for the 2 either side. Do you know what? It's everyone's preference whether they prefer the lifeboat or not. This one you do get more of the sea, so you can actually sit and actually look at the sea, and you can see the waves there going past. However, you do have those stanchions which are a little bit higher than the boat, so it's up to you. I hope you've enjoyed our tour. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. We've got lots of other cabins from Enchanted Princess coming on our channel shortly.